Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to discussing about basic of database and tables. We'll see what is database and what is tables to accumulating into the database. Let's start the session here. So see, as all you are familiar with the Excel spreadsheet of Microsoft property. It's an MS Office, we can call it as. The spreadsheet will contains many sheets like sheet A, sheet B, or sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and it will be contains like A, B, C, D, likewise columns, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is in a rows. And similarly, in database, table is also will have a same property called rows and columns, where we will store the data in respective to the based on the column wise, we'll store the data respective of data. Let's see here the column like column name is like ID, name, email, phone number. The respective of the data we will store into the database table based on the column wise we will store the data and storing into a particular table. In Excel spreadsheet we'll tell them sheet A like a sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. We'll make it as in a tables in table 1, table 2, table 3, or in more meaningfully registration table, user table, products table, sales table, transaction table. Likewise we'll create on the tables in database. And whereas in database we have in a relation to maintain the relation between one table to another table, that we can be possible to establish a keys called primary key, foreign key, and candidate key, unique key. These are the keys will help you to make a relationship as well as making to avoid a duplicate entries in the database. Okay, now see what is database means. In PostgresSQL, there is a PG admin tool is there to interact with your database. As a GUI tool, you'll access by using PG admin. See here, once the server is connected, PostgreSQL 12 is showing, and databases. One database server will have many database engines called PostgreSQL database, one database here, and one more is store is here, test is here. Likewise, you can create many databases till the system is going to give you in a good performance as well as space is available. You can create more databases as well in same system, same database server, where these databases are representing and correspondence to a single web application which you are going to be creating and developing the interaction with the applications. Most of the applications will have interaction with the single common database for single application. That database will have many tables. All right, the database will have many tables. We'll see in next session so how to create database and how to create table, how to create the table columns, and all one by one, and see a simple representation of the table structure. The database like a table database structure I have given you here with the tables with relation, like a categories have given a some simple table here. The category table will have category ID, category name, description, picture, and here that 1 2 3 indicates that is the category ID is in a primary key. And next table there is in a products. Under the category there is in a product ID is in a primary key, again product name and supplier ID. Here you will observe that category ID, this category ID is coming same value which is available in category ID column on category table. Here on the products, that category column is representing here. In simple terms, simply we can say that in category ID in table of category, it's in a primary key. The same key in products, there is in a category ID, it's in a foreign key. That is the major differences between this primary key and foreign key. And primary key will give you some properties are there to establish a primary key to maintain a unique identity on each and every row. For the purpose, we will make it as a case. Okay, there is a property called primary key will have a not null. It's not accepted to the null and empty, and its a key is should be on every inserting of the data. It should be an unique. There is no duplicate entry will be entered into the primary key column. All right, these are the very important, and rest of the things you see. Likewise, you have to establish your relational database management system to prepare your database structure, and the supplies here, employees here, table, and employee corresponding to these three tables. And here it's an orders, which is relevant to the relations one to one or one to many. And here it's an customers and orders. Order details will have an order ID and product ID with the respective of unit price, quantity, and discount. This is a store database management system RDBMS structure. With the basic idea purpose, I have given you an explanation here. That's what about the tables, how we are going to be structuring in database. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.